This week, I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple, modern LED floor lamp. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian. If you enjoy watching DIY videos and like learning how to make cool things, make sure to go hit that subscribe button. So I wanted a simple lamp project that wouldn't be too difficult to build, relatively inexpensive, and would look pretty cool, maybe in the background of a video like this, or just as furniture inside of a house. So I browsed Pinterest and I found some designs that I liked, and I combined them into what I made here. So let's check out how I made it. I started this project by cutting all of the legs for the lamp down to size. For the legs, I just used some nicely finished pieces of pine 1x2. Then I took the legs over to the disc sander to give them a little more of a finished look. Then I marked the locations for the mounting holes. Then, using a slightly smaller drill bit than my bolts, I went ahead and drilled the holes. Next up was the center piece that all of the legs would attach to. For this, I just used a template of an equilateral triangle and traced it onto a piece of 2x4. Then I went over to the bandsaw and cut it out. After I had the finished piece, I went ahead and drilled holes in that too. After all my pieces were cut and drilled, I went ahead and bolted them together. So for the actual lamp, I decided to use a paint bucket. I started off by clipping off the handle, and then I drilled through the previous holes and enlarged them. Then I lined the interior of the bucket with a 12-volt LED strip. Then in those holes I enlarged previously, I put bolts from inside out, and I lined the interior of the bucket with some parchment paper. I didn't add an on-off button or anything, but I did add in a jack onto the back of the bucket so I could plug in a 12-volt power adapter. Next up, I had to make the bracket that would hold on the lamp. To do this, I just used a piece of flat bar steel, and I marked out all the places where I wanted to make bends. To make my bends, I went ahead and scored the metal with an angle grinder, which made it easier to then bend the metal by hand. To mark where the holes went in the bracket, I used an automatic center punch. This also helps the drill bit not wander when you're starting your hole. If you do any sort of work with metal, this is a must-have. Then I gave my bracket a quick once over with some black paint. You don't have to do this, I just thought it would look a little bit better. You're welcome to choose whatever finish you'd like. And after drilling the final hole, it was time to start assembling everything together. And just like that, it was done. So that is it for this week's video. If you guys enjoyed it and would like to see more videos like it, make sure to go hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you guys don't miss out on new ones every single week. And I will see you guys next week.